Alright, Chevy Dave here with this review on this 2014 Chevy Silverado that we just took in on trade. It is an LTZ model. This vehicle is in great shape, has keyless entry with remote start. It's got a chrome package on it with the LTZ, tinted windows. It's got some aggressive tires on it. Vehicle's been through the shop, passed our strict 127-point inspection, and it is available for purchase. It's got low mileage on it. It's in great shape. Garage kept, no rust, anything on it. Like I said, it is an LTZ model. Does have the trailering package. It's in great shape. Does come with our lifetime powertrain warranty. So if anything goes wrong with the engine or transmission, we take care of it, as long as you follow the manufacturer's suggested maintenance schedule. If you want more information on that, I can go over that with you. My contact information is below in this video, so feel free to reach out to me. All right, let's take a look at the inside of this vehicle. All right, here's a look at the inside. It does have power windows, power locks, power fold-in mirrors, power mirrors. It does have the programmable seats as far as the preset seats. It is, of course, power seats, and it is leather. Here's a look at the driver's seat. Like I do on all my videos, I always zoom in on the driver's seat so you can see if there's any wear or anything like that. It's in great shape. Looks like there's a little wear right there, but that's about it. It does have the WeatherTech floor mats, all-weather floor mats on it. This thing's fully loaded and in great shape. Let's take a look at the back. All right, here's a look in the back. Everything's in great shape. No tears or anything in the leather. Guy took really good care of the vehicle. It does have the trailer brake controller down there, aftermarket, as well on it. All right, here's a look at the interior. Does have cruise control over here. It is, of course, four-wheel drive and has the options over there. It also does have Bluetooth capabilities. And then here's the steering wheel controls for the information on the dash. Here's a look at the gauges. It currently has 51,652 miles. That may fluctuate by the time you get out here to look at it, but it should be pretty close to that. Extremely low mileage for a 2014 Silverado pickup truck. Here's a look at the radio system. It does have the Chevy MyLink radio system on it. Does have a backup camera as well, and then you can have the Apple or the Android CarPlay as far as applications, so you can display apps and stuff like that on the screen and have navigation through your phone show up on the actual screen itself. If you have any questions about that, I do have other videos with that information on it. And then here's a look. It does have heated and air conditioned seats on the driver and on the passenger side, which is definitely nice, especially in this hot summer, the Midwest summer. It does have a CD player here, and it does play MP3 players. It does have dual climate controls, so you can have two separate temperatures on each side of the vehicle. So if you or your spouse like it hotter or colder, you can differentiate that and have different temperatures, or you can sync it and keep it the same. Down here, it does have the traction control off, and you can turn on the cargo light in the back all by a switch up front, which is definitely nice if you're trying to remove something from the back of the bed or anything and it's nighttime. Here's a look at the compartment. It does have quite a few different options. It has 2 cigarette lighters, 3 USB ports, and then the regular 9-volt plug-in. There, everything's in great shape. Kind of looking around the rest of the vehicle. If you have any questions or if you're interested in this vehicle, feel free to message me. It will not last long. We do price our vehicles to sell here at Diane Chevrolet, so do not wait too long. My contact information is in the description of this video, so feel free to message me or send me an email, whatever is easiest for you. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button on the side of the screen in the bottom corner and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my social media sites, including Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. I do a lot of contests. I actually did a contest on this vehicle where you could guess the mileage and you won a gas card. So congratulations to who won, the person that won that. So make sure you follow me on Facebook so you don't miss any of my fun contests. And if you're interested in this vehicle or any other vehicles, feel free to message me and come in and see me at Diane Chevrolet. We're about 30-40 minutes east of downtown St. Louis in Metro East area here in Trenton, Illinois. So come see me, Chevy Dave, here where I make car buying great again. Thank you for checking out my video and have a wonderful day.